First, take a leg and attach a support foot to each end. Push them in from the sides, as you can see here. They should stay in place on their own, though they can sometimes be a bit loose. You will need to make 4 of these. It is crucial that all 4 tabs at the ends are pushed completely flat. Grip the notch on the leg and press down against the table. The frame has 4 corresponding holes that match the leg and support foot. Push the leg and foot into the frame with a firm downward press. Repeat this all the way around, making sure everything is fully seated so there are no gaps. As you can see, this one support foot is giving me a bit of trouble. If it stays loose, you can apply a tiny bit of glue, otherwise everything should just click into place. Now, push the other end of the legs into the frame all the way around, again, using firm pressure from above. When you hear this sound, you know it is securely assembled. Let's hear that sound one more time. The frame should now be stable and hold together perfectly. Again, ensure all tabs are fully flush. Otherwise, the module will warp, causing alignment issues when connecting it to other modules. We have designed some 3D printed ball tubes that fit into the top and bottom of the frame, serving as the entry and exit points for the module. Push them up through one of the 4 holes. They can then be rotated. They are quite a tight fit, so it takes a bit of practice to get them in, and it is definitely easiest to use 2 hands. I am only using 1 hand here for the sake of the video, so you can see what I am doing. When you connect the modules later on, these funnels will easily guide the ball from one module to the next. The modules are joined using pins on either side of the holes. Push the pin through to lock the frames firmly together. You only need 1 pin per connection point, but make sure to insert at least 1 more pin on the opposite side. From here, just fill it out from start to finish. Stack the modules on top of each other and have fun building some awesome marble runs. As you can see, you can use all kinds of different materials, integrate electronics, and create both large and small tracks. Have fun building your modules.